This is how Sarah spends her days. I have a lot of friends that would like to stick their kids in there.
And in this one too, the Baler.
This is for the husband.
Right.
Husband-boyfriend machine.
Okay. Nice little package now. Easy to handle. Now, you going on top of the car?
No,
in the car?
right in the back.
Right
Yep.
in the back. Okay. One right side, left side?
Or right over there if we have to. Doesn't matter. Does it fit?
We can make it fit. We can pull it a little
We
bit
can pull
more.
it right up over the
Put it up here.
thing.
Perfect. There. Perfect.
Thanks, Sarah.
Oh, you're very welcome.